Australia has some of the cheapest resources on the planet, so why are Australians paying some of the most expensive energy prices? This episode explains exactly how we got here. Australia didn't lose its energy advantage overnight. Decades ago, when massive LNG and gas was discovered, we had a choice to make. We could have built our own infrastructure ourselves or sell it to multinational corporations overseas. We chose the second option. Foreign companies were given access to Australian resources under extremely favourable tax arrangement. The result, Australia exports massive amounts of gas, yet collects very little tax on it. Some projects pay effectively zero tax. Over $13 billion in royalties has been missed in just the past few years. So we've exported our wealth and we've imported higher prices. And we've lost control of our own energy market. Welcome to Crypto Coach Will, where we bridge the gap for everyday investors wanting to build real wealth in crypto. I'm Will Wright, the founder of Mining Store and Imperial Wealth, two of Australia's leading companies in the crypto space. For over a decade, I've helped everyday investors safely and securely set up in the cryptocurrency market so they can build long-term sustainable wealth. In this podcast, we break down the complexities of the cryptocurrency market, everything from investing, trading, DeFi, and even Bitcoin mining. Let's get into it. High energy prices don't just affect power bills. They destroy manufacturing, heavy industry, data centers, technology investments, and of course, Bitcoin mining. Australia should be the perfect opportunity for Bitcoin mining. We have a stable country, we have cold regions, we have abundant land, natural resources everywhere, but energy prices kill it. Now, fixing this doesn't require magic. It requires proper royalties on exported gas, closing tax loopholes, reserving energy for domestic use, and leadership willing to upset a few multinational corporations like what Western Australia have already done. And surprise, surprise, their gas is far cheaper. The solution is obvious, the courage is missing. And this is the most frustrating part. Mining Store wants to bring Bitcoin mining to Australia. We would love to both have our hosting facilities in Australia as well as accommodate mining operations for manufacturers, commercial buildings, and more. We would love to bring the operations home. Australia should be a Bitcoin mining powerhouse, but until energy prices make sense, we won't sacrifice our clients' profitability to make a political statement. So we go where the energy prices are cheap. We go where governments have thinking that is long-term. We will go where mining actually works, and we give Australians access to that opportunity. The opportunity our government refuses to give. So here's my message to Australians, and I want to say something directly to every single Australian that's listening right now. A lot of Australians hear about Bitcoin mining and instantly think it's not profitable. The maths doesn't work. Power is too expensive. And you know what? You're absolutely right. If you're basing the maths on Australian energy prices. But that's the exact problem that Mining Store solved. Bitcoin mining isn't unprofitable. Bitcoin mining in Australia is unprofitable. There's a massive difference. Your government made energy unaffordable. Your government made hosting impossible. Your government made innovation way too expensive. But the opportunity itself, the Bitcoin mining opportunity, it still is one of the greatest investments and one of the greatest opportunities of this decade. And that's why we built what we built. We set up mining operations in countries where governments are thinking long-term, where energy is cheap, where hosting is stable, and where mining actually works. Just quickly, if you're ready to take your results to the next level, my team at Imperial Wealth Crypto can help. Inside our Crypto Academy, you'll get access to my personal portfolio, strategies, real-time market insights, and the exact plays my team and I use to stay ahead. With our team of analysts monitoring the markets 24/7, we've helped investors catch moves like a coin that's done a 5x in 4 days. If you're serious about accelerating your wealth, click the link below to book in a call with my team of experts and see how we can help. Now, back to the episode. Our electricity costs are 1/4 of the Australian rates. Not half, not slightly cheaper, 1/4 of the costs, 25%. And we give everyday Australians direct access to those conditions that your own government failed to provide. So when someone says Bitcoin mining isn't profitable, what they really are saying is Bitcoin mining isn't profitable in Australia because Australia has a broken system. Mining Store has fixed that for you. We built a path around that problem. We built infrastructure where mining thrives, and we pass those conditions directly on to our clients so that Australians don't miss out on the opportunity. Because Bitcoin mining shouldn't be something only big corporations overseas can access. It shouldn't be something that Australians get priced out of. It should be something that we lead in this world. And someday, if Australia wakes up, it will be. Australia is doing this to itself. But just because the country won't act doesn't mean that you should sit on the sidelines. If you want access to real infrastructure and a proven mining blueprint, then book in a call with one of our team members. In the next episode, we're going to look at the opposite example, America, and why they are absolutely winning the energy and Bitcoin mining race. So book in a call with the link in the description of this video, and I'll see you in the next episode. Thanks for tuning in to Crypto Coach Will. If you got value from today's episode, then make sure to subscribe so you never miss the latest tips to navigate the crypto market. If you're ready to take crypto investing to the next level, check out the links below where you can book in a call with my team of experts. We place strong emphasis on educating before investing in the market, so take advantage of the knowledge they have to share. Don't forget to follow us on socials @CryptoCoachWill, and I'll catch you in the next episode.